Welcome to Alvin Say Studio, where we explore the extraordinary in architecture and design. Today we delve into the realm of innovation and luxury with a countdown of the 6 most expensive container homes in the world. At number 6, container home in Colorado. $1.65 million. Our container home on today's tour is from Carbondale, Colorado, USA. This is also one of the luxurious homes located in Colorado with a cost of $1.65 million. The house is styled differently, with the container look hidden by wooden work inside and outside the home. It is a unique and amazing double-story house with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, and a kitchen. The interior is elegant, using very expensive materials in its construction. Black designing has been done, with a living room featuring black sofas and sliding glass windows, giving it a classic look. The kitchen is designed with black painted shelves and cabins. The bedrooms are on the upper floor with master beds, and the bathrooms have separate toilet and shower systems. The terrace is also included in the design, surrounded by railing. Containers are making expensive as well as cheap homes, depending on the capacity of the person who is going to own the building. Homes at the end are matchless, with each container home having its unique design. Containers consume less money and time with good durability and maintenance. They are thermoregulatory, requiring the use of air conditioners in summer and fireplaces in winter like normal homes. If you want to make a container home, then go for it. Coming in at number 5, Asian-styled container home, $2 million. This container house is located in Washington and cost $2 million. It is made of steel shipping containers with 11 in total, 8 of 40 feet and 3 of 20 feet. The house is very large and was constructed in 2015, featuring an Asian architectural structure. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, 1 garden, 1 kitchen, and 1 countertop for drinking. The house is double-story with a large living room upon entering, a large kitchen with all kinds of facilities, and a second floor with 4 bedrooms, closets, and modern bathrooms made of shining tiles. Home is surrounded with a beautiful green garden. This is maintained in a very good way. So, this is one of expensive homes with Asian architecture. Number 4 on our list is the container home in Kangaroo Valley, $2.15 million. Our container house on today's tour is from New South Wales, Australia. This is container house, which is found in Kangaroo Valley. Its cost is $2.15 million. This building is double-story. The containers are painted blue in color. This building was designed in 2018. This is also a practical example of usage of containers in making wonderful buildings. Containers are perfect to use to make stylish and modern buildings of this modern era. These containers are made of steel and are also used to transport goods from one place to other place of the world. Containers can make buildings which last longer than 25 years. It depends upon the insulation of building. This house has living room on ground floor. Kitchen is also there. Both rooms are fully furnished. Both rooms have all equipment of need. Material is set in rooms in classic way. Moving to upper floor, there are 4 bedrooms. These bedrooms are with bathrooms attached to them. Bedrooms have set beds and windows are in rooms. Curtains are hanged. Bedrooms have their own balconies. One of the prettiest part in construction of a living place. The balconies come after sliding glass windows. The glass use is done in construction of this building. Highlights of the house include its off-grid glazing and polished concrete floor. Completely off-grid and solar-powered eco-house was built on 10 acres of land. There is an open concept lounge on the ground floor of the house. This area, which is decorated with beautiful works of art, is located in the kitchen and dining area. The upper floor of the container house has 4 queen bedrooms, each with its own ensuite shower rooms and toilet. One of the most beautiful features of the house is the sliding windows that allow you to feel the breeze in the rooms. Larry Emder of The Morning Show bought the $2.15 million house in Kangaroo Valley. At number 3, we have the colorful container building in Colorado, $3.10 million. Let us talk about a very colorful building located in Colorado in USA. This is a double-story building. This one is entirely made of steel shipping containers. This building costs $3.1 million. This living area covers 4,026 square feet. This building is one of the expensive structures made of steel shipping containers. Building is enchanting with different architectural structure. This living area presents an exemplary description of use of steel shipping containers in this modern era. Building is totally stylish and modern with all kinds of facilities. This building was completed in 2012. This indicates world know about steel shipping containers from many years. Interior of building is entirely colorful. Very stylish material has been used in its construction. On ground floor there is a kitchen set in different colors. The dining table is large and chairs and table are set to sit and to have a meal. Then comes living room. It had seating sofas and floor is made of white tiles. The glass windows are in walls, LED is in the room. Modern constructed stairs are in the living room. These lead to upper floor. On upper floor there are bedrooms with their beds. Closets are designed in rooms to keep all attire. Bathrooms are loaded with all kind of facilities. Water is supplied in bathrooms. This is hot as well as cold water according to weather. Terraces are also part of this building. In short, this is for accommodation of more than 5 persons with all accessories. Set on 9,375 square feet of land, this beautiful 4,000 plus square foot container house has a great view. The container house has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Another feature of the house is that it is the first house in Boulder built using shipping containers. This gorgeous house is a work of art that blends creativity, sustainability, and functionality. This house has been designed to make the most of every beauty Boulder has to offer. While planning the interior of the house, care was taken to ensure that the house is bright and includes an interior and exterior living space with an unobstructed view from all sides. Shipping container houses can be converted into any type of home depending on the creativity, style, and investment of the person. This house, with remarkable and beautifully designed every corner, has an assertive price tag of $3.1 million. Coming in at number 2, container home at Mountain, $3.295 million. Well, containers are making very expensive buildings. These are large buildings with many steel shipping containers and best in location. This building is located in Truckee. Its area is 2,400 square feet. Amazingly, this building is designed with all modern material. Best part of this living place is its location. This is not located on plain ground. This structure is located on the mountain where snow falls. Now you can imagine the level of difficulty which constructors faced during construction of this building. No doubt steel shipping containers are making this difficult easy. These are transported to such place at once and then are joined together according to architectural structure. This all things make a home at such nature existing places. Such homes are owned by adventurers, and then these homes become a source of stay for other adventurers. Area occupied by this is large. Building is double-story. Interior of building is white. On first floor there is a set kitchen with dining chairs and table. Living room is large with modern sofas and glass sliding windows are all around. If sun shines and there is snow, then this becomes a very lovely scene. Bedrooms are on upper floor with beds set in them. Bathrooms are white with toilet and shower systems in them. Location of home is not doing any obstruction in facilities of this living place. Electricity, water supply, all facilities are available to use in excess amount. It was not easy to shift ready-made containers to this location. The mountains are rocky. The rocky pathways make this very hectic to transport something. The containers were constructed at the construction site, and then these are fixed here. However, all the construction cannot be done at some other place. After all, containers have to be fixed at the desired place. Fixing of these at the mountain was a difficult task. These are fixed here, and final elegant touch is done here. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The title of the most expensive container home in the world goes to building made of 21 shipping containers in New York, $5.50 million. This amazing building is located in New York. This building is designed by using 21 steel shipping containers. Yes, its number is 21. This is really an amazing thing. This building covers an area of 5,000 square feet, a large area indeed. This building is a strong proof that containers can make very large and really mesmerizing structures. Now people know about steel shipping containers and they are using them in their buildings. Trend for using steel shipping containers is increasing. These are used to construct building in lonely places as well in rush places. Steel shipping containers fulfill the criteria of modern world. Very stylish buildings are made by using them. This building has space for accommodation of large number of people. These is a large kitchen with big dining table set nearby. This indicates the capacity of persons who can adjust in it. Living room is with LED and many sofas are set to sit. There are many small bedrooms as well, a master bedroom with large sliding glass window and terrace. Its floor is made of wood and railing is also designed by using wood. Bathrooms are made by using modern material, for example tiles. Glasswork has done in great way. Front of building presents glass windows, so front is mixture of steel shipping containers and glass. Combination of materials make a place perfect. This building is not straight, it is made in different fashion. Posterior past of building is raised higher than the ground.